Most people think the problem is their phone when the Walmart SparkDriver app suddenly stops working. But that's usually not the real issue. Here's the truth, no one tells you. Most Walmart SparkDriver app problems can be fixed in just a few minutes if you know where to look. In this video, you'll learn the most common reasons the Walmart SparkDriver app is not working in 2026, and the exact steps you can take to fix it. Let's get straight into it. The first thing to check is your internet connection. The SparkDriver app depends heavily on a stable connection to receive offers, update deliveries, and communicate with the system. Now imagine John is waiting for delivery requests, but his mobile data keeps dropping between signals. The app appears frozen, but the real issue is the connection. But here's the problem. Many drivers immediately uninstall the app before checking their internet. That wastes time and often solves nothing. So first, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data and see if the app starts responding again. Now here's where it gets interesting. The second common issue is an outdated app version. Developers regularly release updates to improve performance and fix bugs. If you're using an older version, some features may stop working correctly. Check your device's app store and install any available updates before trying anything else. Now let's move to another common cause. Sometimes the app cache becomes corrupted. This can cause loading errors, login failures, or missing delivery offers. If you're using Android, clearing the app cache can often resolve these issues. If you're on iPhone, reinstalling the app may help refresh temporary data. In a minute, I'll show you the fix that many drivers completely overlook. But first, let's talk about account-related issues. Sometimes the app is working perfectly, but your driver account requires verification or has a temporary restriction. In these cases, you may see login errors or missing offers. Check your notifications and account messages carefully. Now here's where most people fail. They assume every problem is technical when the issue is actually account-related. The overlooked fix is checking for platform outages. Occasionally, server issues affect large numbers of drivers at the same time. If many drivers are reporting problems, waiting for the service to recover may be the only solution. So let's simplify everything. Check your internet connection. Update the app. Clear cache or reinstall. Verify your account status. Then check whether the platform is experiencing a broader outage. These 5 steps solve the majority of SparkDriver app problems. The biggest mistake to avoid is repeatedly logging in and out or reinstalling the app without identifying the actual cause first. To wrap up, most Walmart SparkDriver app issues in 2026 are caused by connection problems, outdated software, account restrictions, or temporary service interruptions. Now you know exactly where to start and what to check first. If this guide helped you fix your SparkDriver app, leave a comment below, hit the like button, and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech and app tutorials.